Look around your business. You might have an extensive network of electronic equipment that relies on the steady flow of clean, efficient power. In fact, it's hard to find much in today's society that isn't completely dependent on electricity. Without quality power, electrical equipment can malfunction or operate inefficiently. This results in higher maintenance, repair, downtime costs, and ultimately, a higher electric bill. So doesn't it make sense to invest in a system that not only protects you from costly transient voltage surges, but also optimizes the energy being delivered to your electrical equipment? Better yet, what if this system would actually save money on your electric bill and reduce your maintenance, repair, and downtime costs? There's a system that can do both. The v-blox Power Protection Energy Optimization System. There are two things to consider when it comes to electricity: voltage and current. Let's look at the first component of electricity: voltage. We all know what can happen to electrical equipment when lightning strikes. But consider this: about 80% of power problems occur inside a facility and are caused by transient voltage surges. Transient voltage surges happen in virtually every electrical system and can be caused by something as simple as turning on a light switch or typing on a computer keyboard. Ballast lighting alone causes thousands of transient voltage surges every day. Imagine what electrical motors and compressors can do. This is what a transient voltage power surge looks like. Even though it ranges from only millionths of a second to trillionths of a second, these surges can reach significant voltage levels and can occur up to several 100,000 times per hour in a facility with even moderate activity. The result? More energy is drawn into a facility than is needed. The greater the resistance on the electrical grid, the more excessive the heat buildup in your equipment. This leads to a drastic reduction in operating efficiency and the possibility of serious, even catastrophic damage to equipment. Now, let's look at the second component of electricity: the current, or amps. Amps are what make electrical equipment operate. Power factor is a measurement of how efficiently that equipment uses the energy being supplied by your utility company. Power factor optimization is properly correcting the power factor or efficiency right at the equipment, thus resulting in optimized energy usage. Poor power factor results in increased energy consumption, shortened equipment life, power loss, utility penalty fees, and increased downtime and maintenance expenses. The bottom line is that all of these increased costs affect your bottom line. Enter the v-blox Power Protection Energy Optimization System. Here's how it works. On the voltage side, this is what the beginning of a transient voltage power surge looks like. If the surge were less than 4 billionths of a second, most suppression units would completely miss it. Since most single suppression units have such a slow response time and high voltage clamping level, the transient power surge gets right by them. The v-blox Power Protection Unit reacts to the transient power surge in less than a billionth of a second. And on a 120-volt circuit, the v-blox unit clamps at an amazing 130 volts, clamping off thousands of volts of damaging transient power. This clamping speed is so fast, it is considered instantaneous by today's standards. In fact, the v-blox unit can absorb surges or even lightning strikes as great as 200,000 amps to protect your electrical equipment. This is what the voltage and current look like when viewed on a piece of electrical test equipment. The red line depicts the voltage, and the green line depicts the current. Notice the current is lagging behind or after the voltage. The difference between the two is the power factor, and the greater the distance, the lower the power factor. Ideally, you want the voltage and current to be almost the same line, which means a nearly 100% power factor. Each power protection energy optimization system is custom engineered for your facility to yield the best possible results. We have the unique ability to physically test each individual motor or compressor with a proprietary sizing procedure and custom design an optimization unit that will bring the power factor or efficiency of that motor or compressor to nearly 100%. The average power factor or efficiency of motors and compressors that we have seen from testing is between 70 to 80%, and in some cases even less than that. That means up to 30% or more of the energy being delivered to that equipment is completely wasted. We have products available for both commercial and residential applications, ranging from single-phase 120-240 volts to three-phase 277-480 volts. Each system is backed by a 15-year warranty. Should any unit or units fail for any reason due to an electrical event, they will be replaced free of charge for as long as you own the business being served by the v-blox system. And if any connected electrical equipment is damaged or destroyed due to a transient voltage surge, it will be repaired or replaced up to $25,000 per unit per occurrence. But most importantly, if your facility qualifies, we offer a 36-month 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee using a 15% estimated energy savings factor. If after 3 years you are not happy with all of the benefits of your system, the manufacturer will authorize a full refund of your initial investment, less any realized energy savings. The installation of a v-blox power protection energy optimization system takes a licensed electrician minimal time, but the results are immediate and long-term. Your electrical equipment is protected and will last longer. Maintenance and repair expenses are reduced. Downtime expenses are virtually eliminated. And best of all, your energy consumption will be lower. In today's environment, the v-blox Power Protection Energy Optimization System is simply the best solution to ensure your future. Clean voltage plus optimized current equals total energy optimization. This yields an electrical system that offers complete power protection at nearly 100% efficiency. Don't let costly transient voltage power surges and poor power factor take away from your bottom line. Optimize them with the v-blox Power Protection Energy Optimization System. Thousands of other companies have done it. So should you.